Performance Max sucks is probably what you're saying if you are running a Google Ads Performance Max campaign and it's just not working well. But the question is it not working well because it's a bad type of campaign and Google just likes to waste your money? Or are there things that can be done to actually make it an awesome campaign that drives profit? Today, I've got Will and myself, John, from StubGroup. We are a premier Google partner and digital advertising agency, and we have run a ton of Performance Max for clients. So, Will, I'm going to ask you, when you see Performance Max not doing well in an account, what do you see are some of the common problems that need to be fixed, some of the first things to look at to troubleshoot performance?
When a new client comes on board and they have a Performance Max campaign that they've been running, there are a few different things that we'll look at if performance hasn't been going the way that they want, if they're not getting the results that they want. Typically, what they'll have been doing is they're running a Performance Max campaign that has been upgraded from an old one, whether that was an upgraded shopping campaign or upgraded local campaign, etc. And when that's the case, they may not be utilizing all the different assets that are available. So there is a ton of different headlines that you can fill out that make it pop and that make it more relevant to your business. Descriptions, images, videos. If it's an e-commerce campaign that you're running, you need to make sure that your product feed is associated there. There may be audience signals that need to be added if they're non-existent, or they can be crafted to be more appropriate to your target audience, to your ideal customer. And then in addition to that, just making sure that your conversion tracking is in place and is firing accurately, because Performance Max as a campaign is intended to be driving performance, maximizing that performance based on the conversion data that you have. And it can't do that efficiently if it's working off of faulty data.
Yep, 100%. So if you are watching this video and you are running a Performance Max campaign and you're not happy with performance, or hey, maybe it's doing fine, but you think that there's money being left on the table, we'd love to take a look and tell you what you think. Reach out to us through StubGroup.com, get a free Google Ads profit plan where we take a look at your account and see what opportunities we see to improve performance for you. And we'd love to implement those ideas for you and manage your ads ongoing so we can help you dominate Google Ads and grow your profit online. Thanks for watching. John and Will, signing out.